In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments in Notion. If you collaborate in Notion, comments are your best friend for clear feedback and quick decisions. There are two simple ways to do it: commenting directly on selected text and commenting on an entire block like a paragraph, image, or to-do. I'll walk you through both so you know exactly when and how to use each. Let's start with a text comment. Open your Notion page and find the exact words or sentence you want to discuss. Click and drag to highlight that text. As soon as you highlight, a small formatting toolbar appears right above your selection. In that toolbar, choose Comment. A comment box will pop up next to your text. Type your message clearly. Make it specific so others know what action you're suggesting. When you're ready, post the comment. Notion will attach it precisely to that snippet so anyone reviewing the page can see the context instantly. This approach is perfect for line-by-line edits, phrasing tweaks, or calling out a number or detail that needs a change. Now let's add a comment to a block. In Notion, a block is any discrete piece of content: paragraphs, headings, images, callouts, checklists, and more. Hover your cursor to the left of the block you want to discuss. You'll see controls appear in the margin. Click the speech bubble icon to open a comment box for that whole block. If you don't see the bubble, click the 6-dot handle to open the block menu, then select Comment. Type your feedback and post it. This block comment is great for higher level notes. Things like, "Let's reorganize this section," "Replace this image," or "Confirm this data applies to the current quarter," without pointing to a single word. A quick guideline to choose between them: use a text comment when your feedback is about specific wording or numbers. Use a block comment when your feedback is about the overall idea, structure, or a visual element. Keeping that distinction makes threads easier to track and resolve. As you collaborate, remember that comments help teammates stay aligned. Keep messages concise, reference what needs to change, and add a short reason if it helps decisions move faster. If you're working with others, they'll be notified and can reply in a thread so everything stays organized in one place. And if you don't see the option to comment, check your page permissions. Make sure you have at least comment access. That's it. With text comments for precision and block comments for broader feedback, you'll streamline reviews and keep your pages clean and actionable.